Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me making some shrimp scampi and also chicken scampi. My husband is allergic to shrimp, so I had to make both. Now that is salted butter. You want to add 2 sticks of that, you guys. Don't forget the goal. It's 1,000 subscribers. If you haven't already and you do enjoy my content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure that your post notification bell is on so that you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video to my channel. Once the butter is melted, we're going to start adding the onions in there and the garlic. That is just minced garlic. You want to add 2 tablespoons. It looks like a lot, but it's really not. Now that is 2 whole onions. I'm going to be adding that to that mixture as well. You want to just cook the onions until they're kind of translucent. That is wine. I did add that off camera. You want to add that gradually. You kind of want to taste it. Make sure you're not adding too much. Those packets are Goya seasoning packs, and I cook with that. I love those seasoning packs. You guys should try it. Now that is Slap Ya Mama. I know it's a weird name for a seasoning, but it is very good. And I'm adding 2 tablespoons. I do eyeball everything, you guys. I've always done it that way. I've been cooking for so long that I kind of know what is what. But if you guys aren't good at eyeballing things, make sure that you're measuring. So now you want to just mix all that up together, let it cook together. Now that is a granulated garlic, and I did add 1 tablespoon of that. That is onion powder, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of onion powder. It is not salty at all, but it does give your food a good flavor. I don't know about you guys, but I love cooking with onion. Like, I have to. Now that is Creole seasoning. I am adding 1 tablespoon of that. That is another seasoning that I cook with a lot. Now that is herb and garlic marinade, and that is scampi sauce. Now I was only able to find 1 jar of the scampi sauce, so I had to substitute with the herb and garlic marinade. But you definitely want to taste that as you go along. That scampi sauce was about 1 cup, and I did add about 1/2 cup of the herb and garlic marinade. I did have my niece and my son and my daughter helping me, so you'll see different hands and feet in the video. Gotta teach your kids how to cook young, you guys. So that boiling water is for the pasta. I did go ahead and add just like a tablespoon of cooking oil, vegetable oil. That will keep your pasta from sticking together, and I did lightly season the water. Now I'm going to be just adding the scampi sauce in there. You want to let that cook all together. This is going to be the base for your shrimp scampi. Now that is just granulated, sorry, not granulated. That is minced garlic and butter, and I had her put that on the bread before we place it into the oven. Now I did cook the bread on broil, and it cooks very fast, so make sure that you're keeping an eye on that, guys. That is the chicken that I'm going to be making the chicken scampi with. That's the water boiling. Remember not to overcook your noodles. I do not like soggy noodles. That is nasty. So I do cook my noodles al dente because it still cooks while it's in a sauce. Now I did go ahead and add those large shrimp into the mixture, and there were 2 bags. I washed them off camera. And that's my daughter stirring that. She doesn't know how to hold the spoon yet, you guys. Don't laugh at her. That is dry cilantro. I love cooking with dry cilantro, you guys. And I did put quite a bit in there. It was like a couple tablespoons. That's optional. And I did go ahead and add a little bit more pepper. Like I said, you can taste everything as you cook. That's my husband just draining the pasta noodles out. And then we're going to add that to that mixture. Steamy. All right, now that's the mixture. After everything is added, you want to mix that up really, really good. If you guys hear some weird noises, that's just me puffing my vape. And my bed is kind of squeaky. Now I did have my niece go ahead and cut up about a cupful of the cherry tomatoes and also black olives. I'm going to be putting a 1/2 cup in the shrimp scampi and a 1/2 cup in the chicken scampi. That is also optional. I do like that, and everybody in my house likes it, so that's what we do. Now that is queso cheese. That is also optional, but we do like that, so we went ahead and added it. And this is the finished product. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye.